What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Jay, and today I have another awesome recipe for you all to enjoy. Thanksgiving is around the corner, so we have the most amazing collard green recipe with the smoked turkey. Come on now, Thanksgiving ain't Thanksgiving without some collard greens on the side, if you know what I mean. We're not about to waste any time. Let's go ahead and get right on into the recipe. Time is money, baby. Let go. So of course, we're gonna begin with a bundle of collard greens. We're gonna remove the leaf part from the stem. You can use a knife to do so, but I'm just gonna tear it apart just like so. I just find it a little bit easier, but whichever method you prefer, you could kind of go with. Once we have them all removed, we're gonna roll them up and slice them up. And I just can't wait for Thanksgiving. I'm not gonna lie, I am too excited. Guys and gals, please let me know down in the comments which Thanksgiving dish are you most excited for. I don't think turkey counts because obviously turkey's the main dish, but let's say side dish. What's the side dish that you're really excited for this Thanksgiving, everybody? But yeah, like I said, once you have everything removed from the stems and you have them set to the side, you are gonna roll them up. I'm doing this in multiple batches because I don't know, I'm just doing it in batches. Okay, don't ask me why. So we're gonna stack them up like so, roll them up, and then we're gonna slice them up. Okay, just like so. Roll it up nice and tight, baby. There you go, there you go, there you go. You're gonna grab yourself a knife and you're just gonna slice it up. So easy. And once you have it sliced up, you're gonna set it to the side. Once we have all our collard greens cut up, we are then gonna move on to cleaning them up in the sink, and I'm gonna show you that part as well. So here we are at the sink. We have to really clean these greens really good. I'm talking about we're gonna rinse it, drain it, rinse it, drain it multiple times. Multiple times. And we're also gonna toss in a little bit of apple cider vinegar right into our greens. And again, rinse it, drain it, rinse it, drain it. You're gonna repeat this process until your water runs clear, and once it does, you are ready to move on to the next step and really get this recipe going. So I have my pan to about a medium high. I'm gonna go ahead and drizzle a little bit of oil in there, and we are gonna toss in some chopped up onions as well as some minced garlic, baby. You wanna go ahead and mix that up and let it cook for a couple of minutes. And once that's done, we're gonna toss in the rest of our ingredients. We are gonna begin with some chicken broth. I prefer using low sodium chicken broth because number one, this right here is gonna reduce a lot. Number two, you can always add salt later, okay? So we did also toss in a little bit of apple cider vinegar. We're gonna toss in a little bit of hot sauce, and we're also gonna throw in our seasoning blend. Everything is listed on the screen, and it will be listed in the description box as always, baby. Go ahead and give that a mix, and we're gonna toss in our smoked turkey. You can find this pretty much at your local grocery store. This is one big giant turkey leg that they already chopped up. Go ahead and get that into your pot, top it off, and we're gonna give this basically a 30-minute head start before we add our greens. Once that 30 minutes is up, you're gonna pop that top right off and throw in your collard greens that we already cleaned and had set off to the side. It's looking good so far, I'm not gonna lie to you. So go ahead and grab your greens and just start stuffing that pot pretty much for the most part. Get everything in there. I also have a little bit of unsalted butter. We're gonna also throw in that pot as well. You're gonna go ahead and just get everything there, including the butter, of course, top it off, and we're gonna let this go for about another hour or until that turkey is super tender, because we're gonna wanna take that turkey out and we're gonna wanna break that turkey down, baby. So you really want that turkey to pretty much be falling off the bone, basically, and that's what we got right here. OMG, this is coming along so well. I am too pumped for this one. I cannot even I cannot even get the turkey out the pot without it just exploding and falling apart, as you can see on your screen. This turkey right here is super tender. So go ahead and get everything out, transfer it to a bowl. We want to not only break down this meat, we also want to remove the bones. Turkey drumstick has a lot of freaking bones, especially the little tiny bones. You know what I'm saying? They had not only the big ones, they got a bunch of little tiny ones. You want to make sure you get everything out. Nobody wants to be eating bones in their collard greens, okay? So it's a little tedious, I'm not gonna lie. Even after going through it and tossing it back in the pot, I did notice a bone or two and I had to just take it out real quick. But just make sure you get as, you know, try to get them all out, basically. And we're gonna, like I said, toss this right back into the pot, and we're gonna let it go for, let's say, another 30 minutes or so, and you are pretty much done. You are pretty much ready to bust down. It is time to hit you with that beautiful B-roll. Let me tell you, looking good, smelling good as always. I am too excited to dig into these greens right here. Let's not waste any time. Get right on into it. Wow, and wow. Like I told you guys, Thanksgiving ain't Thanksgiving if you ain't got some greens on the table. Like, come on now. It's a no-brainer, guys. Cheers, everybody. Oh yeah, wow. That's amazing. That is so freaking good. Wow. I could just eat this on its own. I don't even need anything else. I could literally bust down on this right here. I don't need nothing else. It's that good. This is bomb.com, guys. Bomb.com, this is everything. Come on now. I wouldn't lie to you. This is banging, guys. You gotta make this. It takes no time, takes no effort. It's freaking delicious. Everybody's gonna love this. It's a no-brainer, guys. Whip this up this holiday season. I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're new. Rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Of course, leave me a like so YouTube knows you're loving the content, and I'll be sure to see you all on the next video. Happy holidays, everybody. Deuces.